What's up, guys? Welcome to your 191st Android tutorial for the new Boston. What we're going to do now is refer to this notification manager. Pretty much that's all we're going to do for this tutorial. Let's learn about some of the methods it has and how we actually send this notification again to the notification service. It's going to be pretty simple for the most part, but there's some key factors that you guys have to remember when working with the notification manager. So what we're going to do is, again, within our onClick method, we're just going to say notification manager, then we're going to say notify, and basically what we need to do is we need to pass in a certain key or a unique ID and also which notification we want to set up. So we're just going to say unique ID, and we'll set that up in a second. And then we also have to pass in which notification. Again, we have this notification called in, so that's what we're going to pass in. And the reason we need a unique ID is, well, actually I'll show you, but we're going to copy this and we're going to go above our class and we're going to set this equal to static final, and then paste equals, and then some kind of unique number. Oh, and also we have to say it's an int. So there we go. We set up that unique number, and basically now if we run our application, I'll show you guys the problem that we're having and why we need that unique ID. So if we go down to our status bar class, hit button, as you can see we get this message, and you know, that's cool. But we're going to go down and we're going to hit our message. It's still going to open up our intent and open up that pending intent, but as you can see, our notification never went away. It's still there. And you're like, what's going on? Why didn't that clear? Well, we can hit the clear button there and it'll clear it, but we want it to clear right when we, open up our pending intent. So how we're going to do that is refer to the unique ID within our onCreate method. And again, if you guys want to check out the sample code, I believe with the Google sample code, it starts up a service and it cancels it that way. But this is just kind of, a quick tutorial on notifications, so I didn't want to go into building a whole service that handles our notification and all that stuff. But what we're going to do is refer to this unique ID within our onCreate method, because again, once we start up our pending intent, it's going to call this onCreate method, and that's where we're going to clear the notification. It's just a quick fix, probably not the best way to do it, but what we're going to do is we're going to refer to our notification manager, and we're just going to say dot cancel, and as you can see, it takes an int or an ID, and that's what we're going to refer to, our unique ID. Because we don't want it to cancel other people's notifications and stuff like that, so we need to have a unique ID of some sort, and here's just our unique ID. It's just a random number, but that's kind of why, again, that's kind of why we need that unique ID, so we can actually cancel the notification. And then quickly also, just because, and again, I'm not going to run it, it's still going to be the old running, but just to show you guys another problem we're having is if we hit the button, we get this notification, we hit our notification, it opens up another activity, the same activity. And then once we hit the back button, we have all of these activities open. So just again, a quick fix for that, we're just going to say within our onClick method, after we call the notify method, we're just going to say finish. And after we hit our button, it'll send our notification, finish the activity, and then once they hit the notification, it's going to start up our class, and it's going to start up our notification manager, and it's going to cancel that unique ID, that notification. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Hopefully you guys understood what we're hopefully you guys understand the purpose of the unique ID and how to notify, actually create a notification on the status bar, and also how to cancel that notification on the status bar. So that's pretty much the purpose of this tutorial. And again, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial. Hope you have a good one, and see you later.